Hello everyone, myself Srijan Singh. Let me give you an intro to my small project. My name is Srijan Singh, Class 7B, roll number 27, and this is my Sikkim Art Integrated Project of English. The topic of my project is Flora and Fauna of Sikkim. Let me show you what I have done in this project. I have done 3 works in this project. Intro to Flora and Fauna of Sikkim, animals and birds found in Sikkim, trees and flowers found in Sikkim. So first I would give you intro to Flora and Fauna of Sikkim. Sikkim is endowed with a variety of natural flora and fauna and is a paradise of nature lover, botanists, environmentalists, conservationists and trekkers. The faunal wealth of Sikkim comprises of 144 species of mammals, 600 species of birds, 400 species of butterflies and moths and many species of reptiles, as well as a good floral wealth. And let me tell you about animals and birds found in Sikkim. Let's see here now. Trees and flowers found in Sikkim. So this was my Sikkim Art Integrated Project of English. Thank you very much.